up out of bed, boy. Get up. Get up out of bed, man. Get up with your big old dirty foot. You're sleeping in dirty socks. That means you're not bed. Get up. 9 o'clock now. Look how long daylight. Get up out of bed. No, come on, fire bed. Get up. Get up, man. Can't say you're not bed before you go sleep. And 9 o'clock now, you know. And you know get up for morning. Look there. Sun hot. Oi. You not do nothing in a fear yard. You think me not hear say you're gonna full people black jump up so? Eh?
Wait.
You find new girl. Eh? One new girl me hear say you're full in black tank up the hill for. And you not do nothing in a fear yard. Get up and go out the door. Go out the door go wake up your yard. Big and nasty now. Remember if you brush your teeth, because I have to remember you. You don't remember it and have your teeth. Go and go creep up your yard.
Oh, just me sleep.
Rape up everything, creep up everything where you see right round from one end to the other. Go creep them up.
Oh, me just want me sleep a little bit more.
Go use the rake and rake up your yard now. I don't want you nothing about sleep a little bit. Look how sun hot. You're big. No wonder why you're big and lazy so. Come out. You know say sun hot, big boy. How long me fi wait for you to put in the piece of lead that chuck them in my bag? Don't make me get on the wrong side today. Go on out the door. Big and lazy now. I take up a big old dirty boot. How much time I tell you if you talk weird that you're still a weary? I wind this up.
But I want shoes, me have
one shoes. You're lucky say you have one shoes. You shouldn't have none. I know you're so big and lazy and love walk about and put me in a trouble every time. You hear say new girl come, you're going full black tongue for them. Come out! Go and go rake up here and make me come out. That you see much time I tell you to go rake up here there in the spin like a friggin' gig. Go out!
I look for my gun.
Gun. Go on now. How long will I rake up here? Let me come out there in the yard and rake up and you will see.
What you do that?
No cook. Daddy bought cookie for brown man. Let me eat that.
How make cookie?
Yeah.
You make fake as already?
Long time. Think you call it me, but I realize you come like you ain't done it. Bird time, you know?
Mommy in the house and about me out here. Yo, leave one way. Come on.
So let's brush with that, right?
Put it on the van.
Big boy. How in there? Big boy. Big boy. That boy feel walk out, man.
Go on yam, man. Go on yam. I two night fall, you know, but one eat because some of them spoil. One of there, bitch. Yo, left one to eat my plum to know. Yo, no. What go on?
What go on, Rasta?
Oh, Daddy, when are the catapult?
Eh?
When are the catapult?
What shoot back up?
You not laugh with me. You not
Nah,
laugh.
laugh. Me serious, look.
But tell you one thing. Yeah, you know sell a shop. Here? Yeah, you know sell a shop. I hope you know that.
No, no, sell, but it...
You sell a supermarket.
No,
No run joke, man. Run joke.
No.
But me I say defend the door. When I go to catapult?
What shoot back up?
Oh, whoops on that bird, them not shoot, you know.
No, we don't kill her.
Because you know that never like to see. You know that one place and somebody shoot off for you know. So they make a bird and live in peace. Whoops on the bird and go shoot.
We not shoot the bird.
We not shoot
And
bird.
mine shoot out one another. Yay! Big boy. Big boy.
You can't taste it on you.
So when you go down here, Papa, you take it on him. You hear me?
I know, love me, I shoot
Are
that.
the right boy, a right man for your shoot.
Shoot.
So I'm plumb there, Chucky. Go
Yo,
check.
you me myself. No go on no go. Take on the time go on no go. Take on the time go on no
You
go.
can't give it a right plumb there.
I could pick it alright for me last time.
If you no can jump and pick it from dust, I want to take it. Who should not can jump find and pick it and take
You
it?
don't say you should shoot him.
Go on no go. Go on no go.
You
Go on no go.
know, no pop
I'm
over
going to tell
there.
your mother say you have catapult in a boy. You big boy.
I must say, tell me what I say. I ain't farm.
Yet! We kill it!
Come on.
We kill it!
Shoot, but then lock them too.
You don't know why I left hotel come here for? I come here to make you hungry, you know. That's what you mean for the alien. Attention, now move, you know. Now move, come on. You know, say, me hungry, me I go over get something to eat.
Now look if not over me yard.
Alright, later. Big boy! Come here, quick! Me God!
Oh, this way, sir.
That's so much dumpling! Anyway. Me I go for my mother. Broad man said daddy left this for me go for my mother.
So you still come back?
Nah, take long. Mother say want see me, no know he want see me for.
Alright, now they're in the house.
Alright, me soon come. Hope me no laugh. Mommy, where say you want 2 slices of bread?
Yes.
I want butter.
Yes, you're there.
Alright.
Where you go, young boy? Pass up.
Up the road. Me I go to my mother.
Come in.
How about this?
You left me fan, boy. When you look at people coming and people can't and look at touch, you put your hand them to your side, can't to yourself, man.
You know, see me.
Put on my phone. I just open the gun, my phone still there. No. Ja.
Driver, relax now. Right there, so no pass as a driver, right there. Yeah, right there, so.
Sure. Come on, hurry up and pay a fare and go where you go, man. Because you just touches too much. You make you have me fear.
No, me have it. Oh, look right this now.
No bother pull that style upon me, you know. You better find the fear, no.
No, driver, wait there. See the funny seat, driver. Look.
But no, there's a little here. Hey, boy. Come back. Hey, boy, I must get you, you know. I have to see you again. I go on our next taxi, now, boy. Wait. No, sir. The young boy are fast, you know. Maybe the younger. Maybe the just younger. Sure.
Oh, make your run so.
No, we just, you know, chain.
Make your run so
call
fast.
me.
Come tell him to come look for you, see if you can look for me from when they all know me not see you.
Yeah, me I try, but, you know.
Tomorrow your birthday, you know.
On my birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah! Tell me how much?
Yeah, I go 11 tomorrow.
11?
Yeah.
1, 3, 10, 13. But me not see 11 on my finger.
But Chucky, your father work list. You're 11 tomorrow, you can't count?
Daddy, what is it, you know? And a different woman that come down there when you should have done there.
And matter me say one more baby.
One more what? Me see one brown one down there. His mama black. And him brown. Me don't understand.
Jacket.
That's if he come back.
Me not come back. Say you don't want to live with me.
And unless the man where you have the way, me not come.
What make?
You don't like me and me don't like him.
But maybe my girl foreign soon, so me I run him out here so you can't live with me.
Alright, that better. Cause daddy not give me nothing to eat, you know.
I mean he not give you nothing to eat.
All in him bunny, weed and him goat.
So you no thief your money?
Me don't know where I do money.
You don't know why you hiding? One shoes box underneath the bed. I eat your money in a.
Okay, and that's why my tell me say, "Bam, me not fi go in there."
Yeah, and money hiding there.
Alright.
So when you're hungry, you can't thief it out.
No, me not do it. Me not thief if you go fi hungry. Me tomorrow my birthday. Me and big boy a party tonight.
Which part you go party?
I don't know, mommy, but me want, you know, me feel like me a man now.
You know, man, you're 11, you can't count, you can't do nothing but you want to go party.
It's true. Me need to left daddy. Daddy not teach me. Daddy, I still can't find the 11 finger.
Count make me here.
You want me count again?
Count again.
1. How much this here?
2.
A 4, right?
3.
Oh, this is 6 then?
No, 4.
Oh Lord. 5. Yeah, we catch you now. Catch you now, you don't have to tell me again. 7, 9.
No. 6.
Oh, 6. But me not see 6 mark funny.
You're not going to see Mark Honey.
Then how you know?
Boy, you eat that?
No, but me I look for you see there, look, you know mark 6.
Yeah, eat that, you don't have sense.
Me I can't live with you. Me can't live with daddy, me a turn crop.
You go to school?
You tell the truth. I can't tell when last me see school gate.
Since you go to school.
Lie. Daddy taking money to buy fruit.
You want trim, your teeth and brush, your ears want clean out, your clothes dirty. What your father they do?
Me tell us them I using money buy fruit.
And my tell me say me work list?
But daddy work like that, me I tell you.
Come on, you walk good on my yard.
You can't get food. You can go over there.
Papa, you can't go over yard because Mr. Man no want nobody over yard.
Mommy, sometimes you have to change. You can't drink black tea. You have to drink milk.
I say I got some time, I still get rid of him. But anyways, I can get one money because it's my birthday. So you can take time and go on down.
You sure I can come over there? Get rid of him, yeah?
I still get rid of him.
Alright, look more.
Alright, later, yeah?
Yeah, no. Me keep in touch, yeah?
Alright, later.
Go ahead. In wake.
A little boy, don't call me name.
Big boy, look how long me wait for you. Give me the bag. Where you take so long? Where when they do?
Ice cream.
Who for money you take by that?
What's my money, mommy?
Where you get money from your work?
Fine, me fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
Make sure say you care about me change.
I'm changing that bag. Big boy, where you go? Get money. And guess what? Tomorrow my birthday and we never know.
Tomorrow your birthday?
Yeah, but we'll party tonight.
Alright.
So, remember, you know,
Which party there?
we don't know what enough party there. I need to
Yeah, but we'll try and hide and knock out my mommy.
knock him out. Cause if my daddy can't control me.
When you drink Magnum, sleep all night. So we have to give some Magnum.
Good thing. Me and go over, go deal with them, I deal so we can left.
Alright.
Daddy! You have one game to show you.
Well, go inside, man.
No, listen now. How we learn in our school, Daddy. How we do? You smoke? Normally, when I tell you to smoke in front of children, I'm busy with you, because I smoke. Wait then. Daddy, you have to hold yourself. Hold yourself.
You're not playing right now, you know.
No, let me show you,
Go
Daddy.
inside, man.
When you go learn?
One minute.
Yeah. Hold that there. And then they say, if you wrap your hand around, so right? What no, what I not show me show what game do. You have to learn, Daddy.
What kind of game this?
It's simple. It's a simple ABC. Listen me now. Tomorrow my birthday and I go 11. That's why I tie you up and I have to go and dance. Listen, listen to daddy.
Boy, tell me not to ramping enough.
Listen no. Listen man. Relax. I'm going to enjoy myself. I your time to 10 a yard. Every night you go left me with the 2 pit in them. And see one
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking, boy?
Relax. Don't jump. Relax. Where you jump and go? You can't move. Don't jump. Puffy weed, see where so. Puffy weed, just pull and poke. Relax.
You think I'm laughing?
Oh,
Untie me, man.
when they come back, just go and watch the yard. Don't make them come out. You hear daddy? Tomorrow morning. Just relax daddy. Puff.
You're going to see where you're at. Can you think I'm going to drop down?
Just stay there and puff. No
You think
move.
I'm going to drop, man?
Puff no daddy, puff. Puff.
Chucky, come on.
Puff.
Chucky, come on.
Me a big boy I go. Puff.
So come, man. So come. Just go and burn your weed. Daddy, just go and burn your weed, man. Give me this.
Let me come on.
Are you big boy? Say, when we hold on, man, I peel off all on skin. Say, boy.
So when I hold a big woman, so a big woman, I'm going to.
You want to see me the fatty?
Yo, me say, I saw me, I go, your body, you know. Daddy! Daddy! You should have stayed your boy! Round that party! You should have stayed your boy, Daddy!
Pull it off, man.
Wait no. Every day you hide the little money, you think me not find it? You may say, me buy girl them juice like what you do, you know?
Pull it off, man.
Never me tie you.
Are you tired?
Now go over me yard.
No, pull it.
Now go over me yard.
Pull it off, man.
Chucky, now go over me
Pull
yard.
it off, man, and go in.
Daddy, my reason, no.
Pull it off, man, and go in.
I saw rum make you feel when you drink rum. Make me feel sweet. You good?
Pull it off, man, and go in.
Easy no, daddy. Easy no.
Jump cover, boy.
No, daddy.
I say if you pull this up, man, from here and go in, boy.
Listen, no.
You know what I'm saying?
When they attack me, I hear 6 voice. One I say left you out here. The next one I say lick in the head. The next one I say no give you no food tonight. Daddy, relax now. Watch your view. You have to protect your heart tonight. From going back. Just protect it. Protect it, daddy. Protect it. Don't move. Sleep at it tonight. Get enough you fool with rum. Sister! You there?
Good morning, sorry about my manners. Just take it off, yeah. Yeah man, take off that one. Thanks here.
Yay! Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, baby, let's go. Oops. Oops. Oh, you're dirty. You're dirty. You're dirty. Big boy. Where on you do?
Me a beard.
Beard. I know your body no wet yet. You run here in a pan they play with duck and chuck and all kind of sitting. You hear that boy? Look how long me send you around here for beard.
Me a beard me care first, mommy.
God, you can't take it. Come, stand up. Take up your rag for me. You think me have time to waste? Stand up, man. Be a trouble you give. You brush your teeth already?
No.
What cost that? What cost if you... This you come like the way your body big, you come like me not put no body wash on it sitting. Give me a toothbrush. And look how long you're there around here, waste time. When I don't brush your teeth, I don't have time to waste. Hold up your neck and a ramp with me. Neck big like a fish on have. Turn round. Because you're a big old boy like you, me have to come bathe you.
Mommy, water cold, you know, mommy.
More wash brush and scotch breath.
Mommy, water cold.
That's why you're not bathe. Round here the plane and water but water cold. And your fingernail them. I just, you know what, go 2 days ago or 1 day ago make up them. Look how them dirty, nasty, no I love playing in dirt. Big old boy like you think you wash your penis. You go wash yourself, because you look girl already. Oh. And soap up all the face, make soap burn in your hair, too big and lazy. Clean out in your ears hole. Soap it burn in your hair.
Mommy, I burn me, mommy.
Hold up your arm, because you see you, when me send you to come bathe. Ah! So you feel crummy, so. Nasty. Go on in the pan.
Can't see, mommy.
Lift up your foot, you must see blind. Put over your foot in a dirty big old foot, you bust out the bad. Hold up your foot, give me, because I now wash your penis. Stand up, you're too idle. Give me your foot. You know, finish beard. Hurry up and wait for you. I now wash your penis. Right. So you're a big boy, you start beard yourself properly.
Mommy, you see me next hut, mommy? You see me next hut?
Make dash your dirty frownsy hat where you're now washing I bin, how?
Mommy, you know, see my favorite hat that day.
Your favorite hat, everything are your favorite. Chuck favorite, bag favorite, hat favorite, who else favorite?
Mommy, I can go for Chucky go play, mommy. Please, mommy.
Big boy, you see you walk about and get trouble and always they put me in a problem.
Walk and hurry up, one. Top. You put it to set them in your breast. Make sure, you know, don't play it, big boy.
What make?
Big boy, a little picnic, don't play with him. Okay, if a little careless man, then see you out there and touch you up. No man now go want you.
Yes, mommy.
Me have one rich man for you. And one man me I got to want come back. Just tell Candy say must spend 5 hours and come back.
Alright.
So don't tell Candy my business. You hear me say?
So if you tell her say a 5 hour me stay down there.
Yes, but me and you know say no 5 hours. I
Yes,
want
mommy.
little man me I got to want come back. And if no man they look at it and say I want money.
Yes,
You hear
mommy.
me say?
Yeah.
Go on.
Bye, mommy. Hello, sir.
Who's that here?
Hello. What's your name?
How much?
13.
13. Yeah, so you look for me and suck a finger for her. Suck you want something off? Eh? No, take a finger out of your mouth. What you say now? What you want?
What's your name?
What is that to you? How old are you?
13.
You're a child. No ask me that. You ask me how old for what? What? What do you?
Beg you $200 now?
Hello. You know what? Go on where you go. Listen to me. It's when I say big people, you don't walk with them. You know me?
No.
So how you come beg me money? Where mother name?
Me no member.
Go on where you go. You can't set me up.
Beg you $200 now? Sir. Stop.
Go on. Yo, you know that girl there?
I want to kill this girl around this daughter.
Hello. Don't follow back at me. Hear me? Don't follow back at me.
Give me $200 now.
For what? Me know you?
You don't have to know me.
No, you're a child of beg man money.
Little girl, go and buy your business.
Stop with the people.
Left your man and go and buy your business.
Sir, give me $200 now. I want
Why?
to buy something to eat.
Hungry? That's what they say. You want sugar cane to cane ya?
Me not eat cane.
Very rough. You know money? Give me 200 I can go on now. Look a girl. Make this be the last time. Make this be the last time. Me tell you one thing. Me have a daughter. She saw, but you look like you grow up too fast. Don't beg man money. If you see, better beg a woman a money than beg a man a money. Because money take advantage of you, right?
Mama, that's a lot wrong with it.
Hello, see 100 here? Go and buy some at shop and eat.
$200 I want. This can't buy nothing.
Take your money and go.
You have to pick that kick you down. Go on here, go. I'll give him back. Give him back to the ones. Oh boy, now hold ya.
So Rasta,
Go on.
there, you know so they set me up other day.
Eh.
Me I walk on the road and one policeman see me and say, freeze, don't move.
Mommy, remember say ugly police lock up Chucky father, mommy.
The man get locked up. Where you don't know, don't talk about it. Him runway gone. Running runway. You no get no lock up. You chat too much. I trouble you want come put me in. Watch you. I bleed your foot, I bleed.
No, mom.
Make sure your foot not cut enough. Because I tired of you put me in trouble.
Me not stay long over there.
Go on and come back. And nobody stay long.
Me see him take off my bag and take out. But me not even know say what is in my bag. Me don't know he reach in there like they set me up.
But you come out now though? What you come out?
I somebody baby man.
Oh.
Me say in a prison me sleep last night in a prison or jail, one of them I don't know.
But you like it though?
Like it. Me say place.
But I see how you're tough, I know that jail house belongs to. You laugh. But differently from that though. Me up on the last lap with the plum by tree, you know what I want to buy?
Me check you later.
Because I look smart, because you know say a hustler, you know. I say hustle on the road, I my time here, walk on the grill. Picture for there, walk with some plum. I see big boy them take on the road and then say them sell out, I see myself what day. When I go to the hotel, I realize they come to mind. I don't want to make some plum juice, but candy kind of lazy. I'm saying I really want to move towards that business there. And I can't force black people to go to business.
Auntie Candy!
Hello.
Evening.
Good evening. Come now. You can come. Talk about it. How you just do? How you do your finger? Yeah, how much you roll? Suck your dirty finger, you catch germs out of your fingernail. Take out your hand. Come, sit down. You don't feel the suck finger. Sit down right here, son.
Mommy, that's something there, mommy.
No, stand up. You don't say, wait, hold on there. You don't just say I go over Chucky.
Mommy, me no walk about, mommy. You know say me no walk about, mommy. Me no go road, mommy. Me a behave myself now.
You don't behave yourself and you know what about.
Me no bother want go over Chucky, mommy.
I don't understand. How what happened?
Bother want go.
Somebody I feel heavy like a more than 5. How are you? You come fist. What check about?
I can't play that one. Mommy, what's your name, mommy?
See her right there, so ask her what is her name.
What your name?
My name Kira.
Kira?
Big boy,
Yes, mommy?
one over Chucky.
Mommy, me no bother want go over Chucky, mommy.
You know better one go over there? One in the house go find something. Go wash up your plate them.
Mommy, play there and wash up already.
Who wash up your plate them? Top tell you big and lazy now. Why you look on the woman fitness suffer? Why you look on the little girl?
Are you real here?
Yeah.
Go on in. You must investigate a question. Go on in. What? Go on. Somebody you must say hello. Go on in.
Wicked. But that's an overstand we answer, man. That's why I'm going to ask you the question.
I know say you may look for though.
What me I look for?
Yeah.
So where you chop now?
So if you get this money for some plum look come on now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this are 5 pennies, so that's a 10.
Alright.
Alright, so that means for that, you have about 15,000 plum you want. Alright, just go tell him, sir. Go tell him, sir.
Alright.
Make somebody come pick them. Here, cut in the wheel pipe top, some fat one.
Fair.
Alright. Well, go on, girl. No, me just attack. I change so fast.
You know, say, you don't pick me the 2 weeks actually me a rub and or something, so you know, say me
So you are rubbing a beard? You're nasty though, but alright.
Nasty. You want to catch a little color.
I want to catch your color. If I tell you what to put on, you have a golden shower yet? One wash with a golden shower. A new gel in a golden shower.
Respect.
Yeah, man. What am I going to do with you, though? What am I going to do with you, though?
Alright, we see you again.
Alright.
Like that. What you say, hand, bro, boy?
Man, the boss head with the stone.
Boy, it's a lie. What you say, hand, bro? A fool you take my mother for?
Your mother a fool already.
You take my mother for fool? I mean my mother a fool already.
The boss head.
Yo, we're not rampant on the road, yo.
Come boy.
Big boy. Look at the man.
Boy, I tell lie for my mother.
Yo, cut that, no, man. Cut that. Yo, see mother come. Big boy. Your mother come. Yo. Sit down and show. I want to do. You can't be yourself. Yo, see son hot. Yo, don't say son hot. Put on stone, little boy. Put on stone, my son. Black boy. I want to have now.
Watch him in this stone and he have to tell my mother
Alright, put on the stone. Put on the stone and be able to say. You go son, you go son. You want now? The stone hot, you know.
Him first. Him. No,
Yo, Mr. John, go on the yard and be able to sell, man.
Box, I'm going to bust him head again. Come first. You're not getting none of them. First find you. Alright, I'm tell you. Tell you, mother, hey boy. Remember say I'm not broke, you know? I'm going to tell my mother say I'm not broke. Alright, I'm going to tell you first. You better not tell, you better not tell. Give me those. My friends, you better not tell. One here. One here. To chat now. Serve! Serve! Big boy. Where you come?
No, sir, more than 1,000 you find. Take up.
Boy, I want $1,000 I find. What you tell me say?
Let me
I mean,
see.
you can't share.
Let me see.
No. Go on over your yard. Hey boy, I have to tell mommy say your mother a thief or you know. You say if I chat?
Alright, I'll go tell my mother I'm in a business.
Alright. Watch me out.
Yeah, I just get the missed call, man. I try to call back and get the phone. Yeah, man. I know that the baby want things. I just couple days will come back from the hotel, you know. Yeah, man. You know, so you come on the right time. Somebody just buy 15. Listen to me, man. Somebody just buy 15 dozen plum. You know what I mean? So them to come pick you, but we don't get the money already from them. So what I do, you know? I go try find one bike taxi, send the money come give you. Or try to buy something for your baby eat. Right? And buy some groceries for you. You know, I have money here, man. Yo, may I call her back? No, this is not real. Yeah, I soon call her back. Soon call her back. Now when I send no bike taxi coming on, I soon call her back. Candy! Sunday, walk one! Candy! Where big boy there?
Big boy, what's the run about?
Call him there. Because me I come to the road a while ago. The city man he look how broken one and as broke. The man black. I call him black here. Store them and because of them, I blow down because I run right front fire and come down back. Yeah. But there some money that take up in this year, but through them up on the road I fight now and me I try to park them and I start sweat. I take the money out, I take the currency out of my back pocket. Why if I face today, the member say I put the money in it. Right? No member. Hello. Alright, come out, come man, come further. On the left. There's a lane right there, man. Yeah, after you pass the second gas station, you continue drive. You have a good look 3 to 4 to 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So just come until you see cash patch up. After you pass the second gas station, you continue to drive until you see. Just continue to drive. Till you see cash patch shop. It's up on the left hand side. You have to come on 2 corner or 3 corner. But you go sit on it. Alright. Yeah. Why? Somebody a come for the money, you know. Somebody a come for the money. The money where last a while ago. And me, black boy and big boy, they same place. I think I dust the money last.
What you say with big boy?
Black boy. Black boy them a fight and a wrestle. You understand? So me I say one take a stone, flip on the next one and bag a difference.
The same little boy when hand broke.
Yes.
And he said big boy push him down.
Said boy you told them out there. A tussle. So now me a part the fight, I go so and I go so. Right? When me I go so now it's like me start sweat. Because you know, so even this time me I sweat, I want to talk about this. So it look like a same time the money job. So the money job be part, them a walk gone. Me just feel that because you just get the money.
So the money missing.
But me go
that means that one of them take up it.
I'm not saying one of them take it up. But I don't want to know who pass pan with the same time. If them not see it, somebody else see it. I gone. I go back I see them spot, I not see it. No weapon on the road.
I hope no big boy take you up, you know.
Because
me not give no money to spend.
I not accuse him. But me say, I see him on the road, I told him I fight. Remember they have 5 months every courage on pocket. So I say, me I try to see him when he connect on a big stone. Okay. And you understand? Yeah. So that's the problem. So big boy, me I search and ask him if he see when the money job. Or you see nobody.
You know, say a little pitney them, and if they find me, maybe them we all say I know them when I them. But me go make sure say me ask big boy if him take you. Because if him take you up, I tell him say not trouble people things, you know.
Well, what me go do? Me not pass no judgment. But go from yard one more time. Go search and clean up say brain work. Now go to search yard again one more time, looking at grass, me go on a plum tree or nothing. Right? And then we go check black boy and ask him the same question. But two minutes go to the nearest somewhere, I go back up here, go check and then come back.
Alright, but me not like judge the little pitney, you know, so me go ask big boy for him. And me not like pick up for pitney neither, so me make sure say me question him and make sure I know him because me not teach my pitney for thief, you know, if a big boy take it, God Almighty when me hold him. Oh, because if he find me, he's supposed to ask you if I feel or anybody. If I feed them, he's not supposed to take people things. That's something they do, you know. Someone that come contaminate me, they can't tell you know.
Black boy! Come here! Hurry up, boy!
Rasta walk and look for money and come check mommy over yard and say if he come, don't tell him say I mean, you know.
See, if you give me one no tight.
Tap it nice, no? Tap it nice. Don't tell him say I mean. You hear me tell her?
Alright.
Don't tell him say I mean.
Go on way up.
In times like these, you never see a kid who plays with toys. Oh, big boy.
Big boy, get up. Get up, me have something to ask you. Get up.
I'm hungry, you know, mommy.
Where you come from?
Alright, so... Over there, so.
Over there, so where?
Over Chucky, mommy.
You never up the road?
No.
Up a fire yard where come tree there.
Me not go for fire yard, mommy. Alright, I shop there, so me did there, mommy.
Listen to me now. You and black boy. Which part you not come from? I want to get there.
Mommy, I right there up by shop there, so me did there and black boy did there.
So you're not see Rasta from morning. Fire me the chat. You not
He
see?
did a pass about in business, mommy.
And you ain't no hold no conversation, you no talk to no tal.
No.
Listen to me now. Fire come down on me yard. Right? And he tell me say, you and black boy. You don't know which part of the sign say.
Mommy, I let him tell mommy.
And he may talk to him about something another. And some money drop from him because he must win the sweat and he take out the kerchief. So he never say you. And he never say a black boy.
Me not thief no money, mom.
Listen to me. The man never say you. He just come to me. Because he want me to find out.
Mommy, look.
Listen to me. He come to me and they explain to me about the money. Oh, he lost. He just want to know if I have. So guess what? Take off your bag.
Mommy.
Take off your bag. Let me see in my hat.
Make me box.
Take off everything. I want to know if you have it. I just want to make sure say I know you have it. He never say you. Me just want to prove this I know you either.
I know me have it, mommy.
Take off everything. Everything. Because some of you too little and lie and thief and not talk truth. Me not say you know. Me just want to make sure it says it's not you. Me need to search your bag.
Mommy, you know so.
No. Shut. How feel your bag out to come on, so what? Take off your damn bag. Take off your bag. Take off your bag. Me tell you to take off your bag.
Mommy, no money in my bag.
So why you don't want me going in the bag? Let me see in your pocket, because that bag they have to search today. What is that? How about this? What you have in your pocket? Everything you see you pick up, you're too nasty. Here you are. You thought smart now. You're turn big man. You're turn big man. Turn round. Turn round.
Mommy, help me now.
Turn round. No money no in there. Let me see in your bag.
Mommy, not in my bag, mommy.
No want to see it still. I just want to make sure I know your teeth.
Mommy, I like Rasta man I tell for me, mommy.
He never say you. He might ask me if me see you with any money down here. Because I know me not give no money. Let me see with no money. I thief man money. Let me.
Mommy, I have a cutie yard where I see Rasta come from, mommy.
I'm not business with him, my big man. You go where you want to go. Well, me not see you with it. But make sure I know you. Make sure you not take away Rasta money, you know. Come here, if you go find him back. Every minute you put me in a trouble. Big boy, are you take up your man money?
Mommy, me not take up now, mommy. I'm not want. Make him not tell like for me.
He not tell no like for you. He want to know if you take you up.
I know me, mommy.
Well, me not see you with it. But that no mean say me say I know you, you know.
Mommy, me your son, mommy. You don't say me not thief nobody.
Listen what me say. Me not see you with it. But that don't mean say I know you. Me have to sure say I know you. Me search you, I not see you with it. Me not know if I you. Me not. So when you come back, me and me do me tell me say me not see you with no money.
Tell me how full of people are tell like for me. Me not thief no.
Tell him so me I tell like for you. Me did say you. Let me and papi sure. But you have like that. I can give you. Yes. Hold on. So you good. And me think I all sitting here pick up and road watching me and you. Come me smell them out. You in the smoke?
No, mommy.
Come here, man. You're lucky. If me did smell nothing for you, I'd find out today.
I'm fine, mommy.
So you take up your bag for? Give me it. Where you
my kitchen.
Which kitchen? Go and go your business. Me tell you if you look on me pat your bun up here, go and put in a kitchen. Trouble it, I know that. Come back and take you up because you're a big man. Let me look up the road, let me see. Black boy, because if the black boy take up the people their money and make nobody go say are you. Let me go in the house. Because me have my pot pan for you. I'm alright. No go and no say I know you.
Candy, me not find you, you know. Me not find you, but me soon check your back. Soon check your back. Black boy!
Yes, Rasta.
Come here there, boy.
What going?
When you not fight a while ago, by the time I wipe my face, money drop out of me kerchief on the road. Did you see money drop on the road, big boy?
You know, sister, man, the man.
Oh, you smile, so.
Me a smile?
Big boy, and you are fight. Because of that, yeah, fought the fight till I start sweat. Take out the kerchief, the money drop. Me know how to say money drop because I just get the money done so, fold it up and put it in my pocket so. All the time I take out the right down so I take it back out of my pocket.
Or you put money in a kerchief?
We're not talking about that.
You can't put money in a kerchief.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about did you see the money?
No, I never see no money.
Alright. Remember say no, if you're a thief, if it's somebody money drop, I don't give it back to them. You're a thief, you know. Are you a thief?
No, sir.
Long as you're not a thief, I not accuse you. But right now, so there's a reward for the money, you know. There's a reward for the money. See, anybody find back that $10,000, give them 100,000. Think about it. Anybody have links to find back the money there because the money of my daughter eat food today. Anybody find the money back, find the 10,000, I give them 100,000.
Alright, you know what I got?
100,000.
Buy black key, I go work.
So if you can, no, just any magic can work, you pay me the money, I get 100,000. Alright.
100/000.
Alright.
Alright.
The blood of Jesus. How can I voice note this? You beat me here. Juliet, yes, when I get that voice messenger, me need you to come to me and talk to me about your picnic. You understand me? Because you tell me say a 5 hours she stay down here and she tell me say you say stay a few days. Me not understand you. As soon as I get that message here, me need to talk to you. I no can't do that something there. You know, I don't know long talk in the left now if a long message, you know. As soon as I get that message, I get to me. Like that. Kira, come here. Try some people now and some people pick me. Where your mother there? I don't understand. So she thinks that she tricked me and send you in my yard. Actually, you're a girl child, and I'm going to keep you down here. Okay, if you're a boy, I'm send you back up in the yard, because you'll stay up there.
You like that Chucky? You like it? Your mother must up here.
You see your mother? Me and her forgot.
Mommy, you know what I love you, mommy? I love you. You know what
Get up from me bag. Get up from me bag. Get up.
You know what I love you, mommy?
Big boy. What you say, though?
I love you, mommy.
You how much, big boy? You how much?
Me 10, mommy. Mommy, I went on my birthday, mommy.
Listen to me. From your band.
Yeah.
Turn around. Stop looking at the people and pick me. From your band and start have sense. Too much time you tell me say you love me.
Me tell you enough time, mommy.
You can't recall. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up, man. Get up. Get up. Get up. You're too enough. You come right in the middle. Go on inside. How much time you tell us if you stay in our house? But find something though. I just look for the people and pick me. You think you come breathe and put me in no trouble. Go on in. What? You talking to me?
Your face look very familiar, you know. Very, very familiar. You come from down here, sir?
No.
No?
Why?
There's a lot of things I would want to say to you, but you know, maybe, you know, if you want to, you know, get acquainted. I don't know. I'm a police, you know. I'm an officer. For a while now. My name is Officer Smiley.
Officer who?
Smiley.
Okay, so what you want?
I just know you. You know, I have 2 pieces of bone, I can give one. You know.
Give me one.
You know, if you want to share.
Officer, me did stop you? Me look like me hungry to you? Your face say true. Who get a suit there? Tell your boss say that no look good and it no fit you. If you find another uniform you are you gonna look at next job. Who you give on me? If you tell who you figure get a dry bone there. I mean I talk to? A matter of fact, me no want you. Hey, what happened?
I'll call the phone.
Call the phone so what? Your face say true you have gun and you're in a police suit. Me have to talk to you.
Oh yourself?
Don't worry myself.
What that thing I go on, eh?
What that thing? Me no want nothing from you.
Yo man, what's the problem?
My mother give me the link. Right you and you.
So, what your face happen when lick you?
Not knowing that take out the anger every time human and give but him beat me from all him a beat me. All of them in cars and they hang up on me beat me.
You look like I want bad little brat but
No, officer me that behaving child me I learn. I go to school sometimes he made me officer and beat me but brutalize me.
Alright, I understand because me here say a lot of trouble has been happening on this lane from this big boy. You know one boy named Big Boy?
No, me don't know nobody named Big Boy.
Okay. Come me understand say around this lane here and I'm way around here so for check one lady but where's happened to you now?
My father beat me.
He beat you?
I want Rasta man and him down they go lock him up now he have all gun.
What?
Yes, gun
right.
down there.
Steal sir.
Yes,
Don't move. Which part? Which part?
No, this is right there, shop.
Which shop? One blue shop? Come show which part you talk about.
You can't come with me shoot me.
You have gun?
Yes, my bad man he have gun.
What is that now?
One officer we had in that force. You afraid?
Where you say? Him right at the shop?
Right there, shop. Give me a gun, I'm going to shoot him.
No,
then.
me can't do that. Hey, step away. Go stay, sir. Stay, sir. Don't worry yourself.
Shoot him, no make it talk.
Stop it, nice.
Shoot.
I am an officer. Not a bad man. Alright, work on one today. Charge into the FHO. And I'm cut back up. Yeah, no. No promotion. Freeze!
Can I freeze that out? You can freeze this, bro. Where are you with?
Are we there, bun run
Tell us something there for me, man.
Take with something for you. Hold up your here! What take with something for you?
Well, I'm gonna be out there. Where come to me for? Where you come to me for with that? Where I point from for that?
You have the right to shut your mouth.
What me do? Where I point that from?
Don't worry what you do. Then we talk to you down so. My name is Officer Smiley. That's all you need to know. Out that.
This I lock me up for.
No, sir, no worry about that.
This I lock me up for.
No, sir. Gone are the
have
days.
no evidence. No evidence for one now.
Turn around.
Turn around. Where we at about? Where are they?
You know, hello.
If you lock me up, just make me walk, brother.
Walk where?
Where are they? Where are they?
You want to walk? Alright, walk then, Rasta.
Let me walk then, brother, man. Let me walk, man.
So where you go? Where you go? Where you
Where you lock me up
Where
for?
me say what me lock you for? Don't say that. Rasta man, you have here. Where me say what? Walk away. I'll take a roll, eh?
Big boy. See big boy. Big boy. I'm not telling me up and go party last night, man.
Don't tell her like pa. Mommy, see man, I tell her pa me, mommy. Come go.
Look boy, you lie, man.
Don't tell her like pa me picnic.
Candy. You come bail me down, sir.
Don't call me name.
Bail low. Don't bail him.
Bail.
Wait.
You figure say your son can't tell me everything what you do to him. You boy. You. After you beat the picnic so.
I'm not telling me up and go party.
Chucky,
I'm
I'm
not
afraid.
come back drunk.
Look here, Chucky, tell me all the way you do to him. You beat him, you kick him, you left him and go look for the man. You lock you up and me I look for come bail, you don't never get bail, you could have sleep in there forever. The way you're wicked to you, little boy. Me could never want you, you're wicked now and they can't tell like for my son. What about your business? For my son did that sleep. Walk up, me not understand it.
One officer! Police!
Police will lock him up. Officer, come here, I want to talk to you. You know, say, hey, that man there one wicked man, you know. Line they tell for my son, you know, big boy, they sleep all night unless I dream, me a dream.
Sir, he beat Chucky.
Shut up your mouth, manners, move. You know, say, I lie, I tell? Big boy, I sleep all night. So big boy and Chucky no go on a party. A line they tell Panny Pitney. Into lie. But this a policeman, I look tired, man. You hear what me I say?
Are you miss what I would have go?
Officer, me I talk to you about my son and that man's son.
Okay.
Me no want to talk about, you see me out the road out the sun. Me I tell you say I lie the man I tell him that beat him, Pitney, kill him. God save him life, make him know dead. The amount of liquor little boy tell me saying lick him.
True, sir.
Is this true?
He left him all time and gone and no give them nothing for eat.
Remember now, I'm the police, I'm the officer. You have to speak the truth.
Listen to me, officer.
You gone far now, man run gone, you know. Now me have to go call headquarters to them call and start out the
officer,
place.
listen to me now. You listen to me? You want to hear the story?
Yeah, I hear you.
He left him pitney them every day and gone and no come back till when. And me, the little boy come to the smaller one, come to wish they down here so early in the morning.
That is the boy they call Chucky.
Chucky brother.
Chucky
just listen
brother.
what me I say.
Alright.
He gone and left them and no give them nothing to eat. And me I give little boy money to go buy bag juice and bulla. Every day and go left them. I don't want good father. I don't know if he take it picnic them from him and send them go family school because and look on him to both him account look me. And a matter of fact, where you just send to say for me see out the road?
Oh yourself man, we go start. Because me go come back.
We are talk about it, see out the road. Where you when they say officer?
Don't worry about that. Me that
okay,
one.
alright, make it stay.
Alright then. We talk one next day about that something.
But no lock him up into wicked and I want good father.
Alright.
Lock him up.
Take care of
come go in the yard, because see them a tell like you how you go a party and me sure say Chucky and big boy no go on party the night when he dirty pooper tell like and he pick them.
So I told him live, right?
And my son, and me and him live. A big boy name, you don't know him, you are going like you don't know him.
No, yes sir, you have to take statements one by two. Alright.
Big boy asleep all night. So if Chucky got party, is not big boy and Chucky got no party. Me don't want nobody tell no lie for me pitney.
Alright, let the officer deal with the situation.
Get up, because you're too
let the officer deal with the situation.
Them on file line.
Go use the money.
Take them up. Take up your clothes them man, and see rain soon come down.
We're gonna sort it out properly, alright? As I said, my name is Officer Smiley and I will see you again, alright? Because I'm gonna have to find out some more information.
You better get it because they little pitney they up there so they not get no care. They not have no care and protection and them are dead for hungry. The man they are taking money, chow. But look here. You need to take care and pitney them. Watch out, what's wrong with you? See if you're big and lazy and just and I'm saying nearly push me down. Take up the clothes them on file line. Yeah.
What's Chucky then?
Daddy, I don't know any daddy. No any, you know.
Come on, what I cheat, man. What you talk? No more you do for me?
Yeah.
More you stand up right this up. I watch up this and this. Say if no police are coming, run come call me here.
Yeah, daddy.
Me carry one soldier man.
Soldier man?
Yeah. On this man.
Daddy get shot. I ain't get locked up. Which one?
Daddy just come and gone.
You don't get no shot?
No.
Not to lock up?
No, he just come and gone.
Where?
I'm on the road when you gone. I must on the road and pack up things and run away.
Police force of workless. Workless.
So you call police for him man now for brother.
One get rid of him.
You not tap and beat, you not true. You not here. You're hard days.
Daddy, you don't understand what I want. Daddy evil, and wicked. And I don't care for your father, your brown and your mother black.
I'm a daddy.
Me a talk about?
No.
Well, the boy, the sister boy, informer youth. Where they are tell him say? Where they are tell him say?
The cook.
I lie, daddy.
Where him
tell me say I get shot and something, daddy. That him tell me.
What kind of shot?
That you tell me say.
No, daddy, not that the shot there.
Them boy him run here, daddy.
Shot.
So you set me up for me get shot and you think I'm dead? You think I'm dead? No.
No, daddy.
You think I'm dead?
Daddy, me I tell you to learn.
You see, you're not for me pitney, you know. You're informer that time, that now in my blood, you know. That now in our blood better.
To respect you, daddy.
So you respect what?
But tell you something. Police say, come, daddy. You see, daddy, a fool.
See you.
That's why I tell you, say, your jacket.
Your jacket, say ugly. My favorite daddy, my nose long like daddy one. Feel nose mean.
You're right, if it's true, we can favor greater. You're right.
Go on, you hear that me I tell you here. So
Me
I
not
like
sleep
your
at
big
tonight,
boy.
you know. Me not sleep at
Anyway,
tonight.
I see me I come there and I left me in the yard.
You see now, me are the man of the yard. You see daddy run gone, you can't stand there. You see I stand now, half a dumpling and piece of meat.
You eat that, Chucky. That me I tell you, I eat that. I
Are you
got
big
the most work in the yard. I'm putting most
Are you bigger brother, you can't eat that? Run, boy! Grandpa!
Are you?
You frighten me.
You frighten you? Don't worry about that.
Me think you kill me father.
No, that's how we do it.
But in just Jawa AK-47.
Gun? Big gun?
One, I don't know if big.
One big long gun?
The one when me see them have.
Alright, calm down. Is he over there?
Him run gone because me trick him telling the police are coming. They know say I come. They know me keep me mouth shut. And
No, so you can't do that, young. I smoke fire one sure.
Officer, me say, hey, have a big gun in truck me with it.
How long you gone now? How long you gone? I'm saying I can't even.
About 2 minutes, they run down the road and catch him.
You may catch him?
But yeah, me I say, officer, me tell you, say, shoot him.
No, that's how it work. That's how it work.
How it work?
Because if you do that again, I can arrest you, you know. And see you go down at them picnic place. So you have picnic prison too, you know. You never know that.
But remember, the police, police shoot innocent people and him a bad man.
Step away from me. I'm going to go down there for hey, stay off the road. Stay off the road.
Off the road.
Yeah,
off the road.
All right.
Good evening. If you reach this far, please, man, we're gonna subscribe. You know, big boy, I go on normal. Subscribe, man, please. And if you are going good, you can leave a donation right up here, so yeah. Thank you. You know the thief, I make them catch you. You know the thief, I make them catch
Oh, you can get it. That's just that. What is happening here? Hi, oh. What is your name, young girl?
Kira.
Kira is your name? Kira from where? You live on this lane the first I'm seeing you. Hello. What you doing over there? Is over there where you live?
I'm a grandmother, yeah.
Why you troubling people coconut?
I'm a grandmother, yeah.
Officer.
Come find people and place.
Sir.
Go grandmother, yeah.
I'm a grandmother, yeah.
Yes.
Big $100 mama buy ice cream now.
$100 for buy. Where's Oshi? Where she come from?
My sister.
Your sister? So why she's begging the officer money? I don't understand this. You think I should give her?
You say you work for the government, I can't give her.
What you think? I think I should give her money?
You work for the government, I can't give her. You can't give me $100 to buy one bag.
You know, say so like I don't feel so I feel good or nothing.
Sir, give me money. $100. I'ma buy ice cream.
Ice cream you want to buy? Them sell ice cream around here, sir?
Give
Don't at that shop there.
Don't at that shop there?
Give me it, sir.
I want them to be there now. I feel like I get the money, you know. Don't feel like I forget because I'm broke. I feel like I'm going to broke there, but as a matter of fact, I give you $50. I'm not getting $100. $50 me I give you.
$50 can't buy ice cream.
Go buy the cone and look somebody.
You want the $100?
No.
We can't see this.
Don't worry about what you see.
How you work?
Don't worry about how you work. $50 me I give you, young girl.
Let me see. Boss one out time with me here.
Boss one out tight? Step away. Step away from here, son.
Just go, sir.
Over there, say you're going? Go on quickly. You understand me, I say? Because the place is getting darkish. Go on that way there. What is your name? Are you a big boy?
No, sir. I'm in
Well, are you a big boy, right?
I'm in name, sir. I want boy up the road.
Up the road? Young man?
What one?
Young man,
Yes,
why you look so troubled?
I don't look troubled. I just did have something to tell you.
What you saying? What you saying to me?
You know, say, big boy, me and him did have a little conflict up there, so, and him pick up Rasta money, cause Rasta wipe him face, and everything, you know. I'm just telling him to give me $1,000 out of money. And he take it, and he go out and buy what he want to buy for himself, and then he gone.
Pause for a cause. You mean big boy?
Big boy.
Is it the same boy that has a hat on his head? Which is a grey looking hat on his head?
Yeah, him, same man.
Okay. And you're saying that him find the money, take the money, no give you none of the money. You begs, so you come tell me.
Yes, sir.
So you go.
Yes, sir.
You know, say I'm a police officer, right?
Yes, sir.
My name is Officer Smiley. You don't say sir, say Officer Smiley, say?
Officer Smiley.
Yeah, that's my name. So you're telling me now that this same big boy, he found the money and he
sir.
don't want to return the money.
No, sir.
And you're sure of that?
Yes,
Remember,
sir.
you know, you're talking to the police.
Yes, sir.
Alright, I said stop, said sir. Say Officer Smiley.
Officer Smiley.
Well said. So alright, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have to search for this young big boy. Right?
You always if I remember if I don't lane the other lane, you know what? You need to go check out one of them.
Okay, okay.
Always sit down with my next brother who named Chucky.
Chucky. I heard about this other Chucky, you know. His father I want to hold him and I hold him. Only Jah alone can save him. Remember I tell about this Chucky? Yeah, but despite all of that, worry yourself. I'm gonna find big boy. You see that same hat where you just explained to me what I was saying up on his head? And him, yeah. Up the road, I see him and this little girl who beggy. Just wait, cause this a lane, I go off the car, headquarters. Helicopter will come in this place because there's no big crosses are going here. Not the informers are here, which is good for me because it make me work much easier. Let's watch what I go on. Yes, mommy. Yeah, Oh, the yard, I'm going to check Candy too, you know. Candy needs to know what my hickory bounce for me. Hello. How no do? Officer Smiley here. I soon enjoy yourself. You buy the ice cream? Did you buy the ice cream?
$50 can't buy ice cream.
$50 can buy ice cream? Big boy. How about truck can sell, you know?
What kind of truck?
A nice truck, man. Just $10,000. You know what I mean? Well, you know, it's something that will fit your profile. You know what I mean? Because I see you. Are you named Big Boy, right? I know you named Big Boy. Well, you stop. Why you leave her alone? If she wants to suck, make she suck what she wants to suck. Don't fear her finger. Leave her alone, man. I'm the police, you know. I can lock you up for these things, you know. You're visible assaulting her. Make she suck what she wants to suck. Right?
Yes, officer.
Alright, good. So like I was saying to you, yo.
More want to chuck for buy.
You want the truck for buy? Alright. So I can't show you the truck, but you have to show me the money if you have money first.
The money down on me yard.
Money down here?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Go from me yard.
Quickly.
Don't tell my mother say me give money, you know. Don't make my mother know something.
So don't make your mother know saying I get money. Let me tell you something. I hear that it's you take the money from fire money. Now fire money this.
No, sir.
Now fire me I care about station. Know yourself. I'm gonna lock you up. I'm gonna lock you up right now.
I'm a thief, sir.
So it means that you're thief. So you get money. Your mother give money?
I'm a partner money.
Your partner money? Little boy like you. Hello, let me tell you something, man. Don't go on like you take big Officer Smiley for a joke. Don't go prison me I care right now. Station right now. Mommy, call your mother now because she too get locked up. So if you want to get locked up, you know say the system have to run that way, right? This is officer. Don't a station me have been right now.
Sir, please, sir. Me never do it again.
You not do it again?
No,
you not
sir.
thief again?
Never do it again,
Not
sir.
do it again?
Me never thief.
You not go thief?
No, sir.
Don't a station you go.
Sir, please, sir.
You have a lot of friends down there.
Sir, please, just.
But you want chuck. You want big chuck. Big chuck. And your teeth and so call your mother. And so call them. Now do it again?
No, sir.
Matter of fact, how much money this?
10,000.
$10,000?
Me can't count.
Don't worry about that, me can't count. You look, I got 10 for you. Here we go on. I'm going to give you a chance. Here? And you see, if me hear nobody's talk about the money, you're going to be in big trouble. I'm going to come for you specifically. This boy in the hat, a big boy. You say, what is that on the backside that? What you call that? I'm going to let you up off of the ground. You're going to run and go in the house right now. Half a tree. Tree!
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. This wasn't a bad day after all. Moving on there.
Want some ice cream, you know?
You not get none.
You tell mommy upon you.
Make here, go on.
I'm there, what do you want? Eh? Yeah,
I tell mommy for if you know. I tell mommy say I make man boil the ice, man. You beg man ice.
Go on.
I tell mommy for it.
Big boy, where are you in dirty water?
Mommy, rain fall and I don't want my shoes wet up, mommy.
Rain fall. Come here. No, man, you know, every minute you gone out of yard. And me send you out of yard. Where are you in dirty water?
Mommy, I don't want my shoes wet up, mommy.
So you ready to catch germs in your foot? You know what dirty water do? Eh? You know what dirty water do to people's foot? You can't catch grunny itch. You can't catch wingworm. You can't catch a pole. You see me money, boy. You see me money. You see me. You want to come put me in a trouble? Catch up pole for me. You see me have money. Me have money. You see my trouble. You put me in already. You know what dirty water do to people? Eh? You want your king fussy. What you do laugh? I laugh. You laugh. You see you? You see you look innocent? Give me ice cream. You see you look, turn up there so.
Give me some boy.
Give you some hour. Me fi take it from him and give you. Oh, cut your finger. You see you look little original? You see you look innocent? Like you can't mash hands? Where you get money from buy ice cream?
One man give me.
One man give you? You know the man? The man of your daddy? So fear your mother not tell us you know fi take things from a man a road. You know a man do to pitney well love beg them? You beg man money. When you beg man money, what man give you?
You don't know.
I don't want to tell you. Listen to me, you little. I don't want to use you enough to use to you. And you know where that give you? Baby. Baby. One in a yard. Little and rude now. I soon bust your ass. So I told me not like little to pick me. Come go in a yard. Come go in a yard. In a dirty water out there. Out harder.
Please, me I beg you no. Subscribe as on the company channel. Subscribe, me I beg you no, please. Subscribe, me I beg you no. Yes, subscribe, please. As on the come on.
Miss Candy, can't stay where you feel night.
Come in and so contact me.
My father put me out.
What do you mean your father put you out?
I don't know, he just put me out. He checked me, say, "I'll kill me," and put me out.
And if you take care of your papa come down so.
He never come. Me I tell you, I want to stay till the morning, me go for my mother go stay.
Come like a daycare me around right now so. Where your next brother then?
I don't know.
You're bigger than your brother. And if your father put you out, when do you your brother?
What he put him in?
Put him in a
Because if he put me out, he have to put him in.
Look here. Come like a nonsense, you know just big and fool so. I don't understand this, so me if you take it in here so. After you come down and take me picnic and carry when nearly join him. Me.
You know John though. He's still alive.
You know so I don't want to talk to you. Actually I look up in him and me turn up on the really the answer where I say, because foolishness is actually. I don't understand. You come in here, son. Come in here, son. You can sit down. So, where you say now make your father run you out?
Kill me with lick today and me run go call police. And then lock him up and he come back and put me out. So me I beg you to put me up till the morning, and when the morning come me go and my mother first thing. Chucky, what you do? You sleep over here tonight?
Mommy, no.
I'm going to make you stay for tonight. And tomorrow morning you make sure you go straight up to your mother. I would call you out here so. I notice that you don't have no manners, you know. Look up and take out your finger.
Mommy, but you can't make Chucky stay over here tonight, mommy.
Why?
We have guests, mommy.
But are your friend? And are your friend?
Not tonight, mommy. We have guests. Chucky, go on over now.
So you look like you deaf. You know you're saying father run him out. So you already your friend sleep on the road.
Church pass, you go sleep, mommy.
Don't worry about that. She a go sleep here and your friend a go sleep over here. A little pitney them, me can't left them on the road.
Alright, make sure
Your mama in next one.
Make sure sleep side of me, mommy.
Side of who? You! Your feels, look here, don't make me cuss in here tonight. You hear me I tell you? Oh, Tada. Me notice say I look girl for a long time now, but with the people them picnic you now come put me in no trouble for that one, yeah. I want him.
Nothing happen.
So me hear you horn like a dog.
It's me kind of cold.
You're cold? Alright, so you did bathe over here before you come over here?
Me no bathe for a while, but it's good.
What do you mean? No water no there for your yard? Lord Jesus. So you need to bathe before you go sleep then come now you're dirty of the couch. Little girl, you still a sucky finger. You're hungry? You not get something to eat already?
No get nothing.
You look like you have worm. You crave them. Anyway, big boy, you know for your bed as usual.
Yes, mommy.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, Chucky, get up. She a go sleep here, so no not tell me how no want sleep. Get up.
Mommy, me no love man, mommy. I can't make Chucky sleep side of me, mommy.
Chucky. When last you change your underpants, you want to go bathe, man. You need to bathe first before you go to your bed. Alright, here so you sleep tonight. Alright. Big boy.
Yes, mommy.
You want to go sleep tonight? Head and tail. Little girl. Then in Kira. Yeah? Don't shake it off for me.
Yeah, Kira my name.
Well, you must say yes what?
Auntie.
Yes, Auntie Candy.
Listen to me now. You know the reason why I not make you sleep back with me again? Because you piss up my bed. And make your manager the big old mattress if you put in a sun. You understand me? Okay, so you're going to sleep with big boy tonight.
What make?
Because you piss up my bed. You can't piss up big boy.
No, I'll do it again.
Don't talk to me talk. You can't piss up big boy. If you don't want to piss on the bed, piss on big boy. Because sometimes in piss the bed, I just one piss and done. Right?
They can't sleep side of me.
You under this finger there. Come, go on. Chucky, you know yes if you go bathe.
Not bathe.
Go and go bathe the bathroom. Go on straight down. No, not show no man no bathroom. Go on straight down there so through that door there and then you take a left.
Show me bathroom.
She alright, just go and go bathe. Go and send you your yard boy. You give me so much talking. Go and go bathe.
No, come on.
You don't smell good. Come, you get up. Go on in your room and let me talk to her. Me need to talk to her where you want to listen to me and say for.
Jump, big boy, come now. Go on.
Kira, take out the finger again. 1,000,000 times. You're deaf. You know why me I keep you down here for so much day? Because you're a girl. And I don't want to send you out on the road in the night. To your mama where say 5 hours, no 5 hours can come. Much day gone. She don't know how you bathe, eat, sleep, nothing at all, man. She knows she send you down here to me. Till you're gone big man. You hear that, Pitney?
The man just say, if I want ice cream.
Yeah, you say yes and take it. Your mother teach you to take things from man.
No.
So you don't know, so you don't take nothing from nobody where you don't know.
She never tell me.
Well, me I tell you now. You're a big girl. You how much year old?
13.
13. I act like a 5. Take things from anybody. Don't do it again. You hear what me say? No do it again. How long since you suck your finger?
From my barn.
From your barn? No suck your finger again. I will tell you if you suck your finger so long.
My mother, she said nothing wrong with it.
Now follow your mother. Nobody suck you again. You better you buy a suck. You know what is suck?
No.
You don't know Kisco? Well, the same something where they call suck in name serve me long and night name cooler. They don't sell that at your school?
No.
Well, you better you do one of that. Instead of your finger. You will catch germs. You understand?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
Not like how you do that every minute you're there. Like how you do that and I drain mouth water. Your finger smell raw, man. Stop from sucky finger. I don't like them style anyway. You brush your teeth?
Yes, Auntie Candy.
You always brush your teeth? Because you see people will love suck them finger. They don't like brush teeth. Mouth smell raw and then sitting there. Nobody make nobody catch you they do it again. Here?
Yes, Auntie
Just forget about
Candy.
it. I promise me say you're not going to do it again.
I promise.
If you need a suck, just tell me give money make you go buy it.
Alright.
Too much sucking no good.
Auntie Candy, me go use the bathroom.
One?
Blow my finger off. I tell her what wrong.
Where just a little girl? You talk to me?
No, Auntie Candy.
Oh. Give me a chop before you start quarrel feet. You know you say enough of trouble. You touch in pitney. You stay over there, son.
Mommy, pass it, give me.
I have time for that now. When last time I take up on a book?
We take up book every day.
Every day.
This morning.
Even since
when?
my father run me out.
You take up your book?
Mm.
When you say you take up your book?
Before I come down here.
It's like what you just tell one lie, you just say every day. I know you said before you come here. Listen to me now.
Mommy, me take up for my book, it in your room, mommy, and put it over there, so mommy.
Alright, guess what? You. Spell suck. You love suck your finger, spell suck.
I don't know if you spell that.
Eh?
I don't know if you spell that.
Just shut up your mouth.
How you spell?
Try and spell suck. When you don't spell suck, you spell finger.
P-U-C-K.
Shut your mouth, boy.
My teacher how we spell it.
Me never ask you anything.
I saw it spell.
A P-U-C-K.
Listen, one at a time. Spell suck and then you spell finger.
C U K.
God almighty. Little girl. Who teacher you spell suck? Are your mother?
No.
I wish grade are you now?
Grade 5.
You're wrong. Spell finger.
Finger.
No.
Finger.
Tap it nice.
No, because I look for words on your finger, no words not upon the same thing, we look for number one
When
time.
I give you something to spell, you can't spell.
Finger.
It's finger. Spell finger.
Finger.
1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger.
Big boy. Spell finger. Hurry up, man. Hurry up, because no one go around this office on
You
shit. You know, say no manners. No wonder why your pooper run out your backside.
Spell it something.
Spell finger.
F H.
No go no further.
Yeah.
You have little finger, middle finger, big finger. Finger, you have to spell it good.
Chucky, spell teeth.
Me know that word there, thief. Me get F plus, so me know it.
Spell
Thief.
teeth, because teeth out your pooper breadfruit.
What you know about the breadfruit?
Worry yourself. Spell teeth.
Thief. Thief. Oh, thief. H-A-T.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah. Tell you.
Right.
Shut up your mouth.
Mommy.
Spell community.
No.
Mommy, you spell.
Spell community.
Mommy, you spell something now, mommy.
When you spell community, then you tell me if you spell what you give me if you spell.
So, mommy, how you spell Mississippi?
Me no want you nothing fine, you know what? Yes, he said Chucky can spell better than you know. When you done, you dey run out Chucky. It won't no done snow. All you. Spell accomplish.
Accomplish.
Spell it.
C.
Come.
C-T. O.
So you're going like you couldn't spell. They know you can't spell so. Good girl. Are you alone I done one? You.
Mommy, me not dance, mommy, me get
You give me something to spell?
Mommy, yes, mommy.
Where you want me to spell?
Mississippi, mommy, please. Let me.
Miss who?
Mississippi.
Who name son? Look here. No come, you look here, boy. You see when me can't spell, don't give me to spell it. You not no manners.
Mommy, you dance, mommy.
You not no manners. You not no manners. You come tell me word when me can't spell. You out of dying. You know so me can't spell already and you come and tell me. How you do, boy? Try to insult me in front of them if then go tell them parents. You see you? You not no manners. You try to insult me about me if you spell Mississippi. Me not even first me hear that the word you want me go spell. Boy, me can't spell it.
Some mommy you tell me if you spell and you no can't spell.
Yeah,
Mommy.
you
You
fuck
don't
me.
smoke.
What should I go do to you? But I go for your sheet them and come here. Go like a big man.
No, I'm pan us, go over.
Wanna be here now?
No.
Come, sleep side on my yard. Sleep side. Chucky, wanna be here now?
Behave yourself. You have a massive picture for your love. Behave.
Come lie down here, side.
Behave.
Come, you have to run this over sleep. Get up. Big boy, where you look for over this one? When you truck drop around there?
No, mommy.
So where you look for?
Wisdom, mommy.
What?
Mommy.
Where you say you look for over there?
No, mommy.
Come on, bed, make the little girl get fair say. She asleep I can't and you sleep out of the head. Here I go on over there, so. Take one of the pillow. Put your head right here, sir.
No, give me that one. Give me that one. Give me that one. Give me that one.
Lift me on now.
Use.
Big boy, put your head up there, sir. Why you can't get trouble? Selfish boy. Want you. Chucky.
Yeah.
Come take that pillow here. Hold this.
Give me my truck.
Give me a truck. Give me a truck. Me can't take your eyes on a man. Give me a truck. Come. So one sheet here. Use that. Go and go lie down. On the two. Every minute you not get problem. You can't take it up. Go on around there, so. Let me tell you if you sleep. All your war for truck. Give me.
Mommy.
Give me a truck before.
Mommy, no.
Give me the truck. Watch out. Why? You know what? Get up. You're not ready to go sleep. Get up and take off the bag and your hat off your head. You're too tired, man. Get up. Give me the truck.
Mommy, you know say me have to sleep with my truck.
Big boy, give me the truck.
Mommy.
Jesus Christ. Give me the truck.
No, mommy.
Take off your hat. Take off the bag now. Too little and unruly. Take off the bag. Go sleep in the truck. Go on up on the bed. Come, hold on.
I don't want this shit.
You're confusing, sir. Yes, you use the one there. Chucky, you need to go lie down. Lie down. Remember to say your prayers before you go to your bed. Big boy, I don't want to hear no talking from none out of the two of you. At night now. I don't want the neighbor them come tell me how not disturb them in the night. You hear me? You hear me say?
Yes, mom.
You know say you have to say for your prayers before you go to your bed, you know. Little girl, say your prayers before you go to your bed.
Yes, Auntie Candy.
You still insist? What me tell
Mommy,
you say
how
for
your prayers go again, mommy?
Our Father, which art in heaven. And that you have to say. Practice. Look from when me I teach you that you don't know. Little girl, say your prayers and go to your bed. No,
So,
no,
mommy,
talking French.
let
Don't
me
give too much
see.
trouble.
Mommy. Let me see it. Take your finger out here, mom.
Left me now?
I can't see inside there.
No.
I can't see inside there. Mommy,
I don't want you to sleep side of me.
you can sleep inside here. Like mama and papa. Take your finger out here.